Hi, today I'm going to talk to you about the PuroAir 100i, and this is a really cool, it's a little bigger than a lunchbox size air purifier, and it's got some special features that work perfect for me. Matter of fact, I have two of these. They sent me one to test, and I also bought one, so I have two of these, and I'm using them specifically because they work perfect behind my, where is it? Right over here, my 3D printers. And it's an extra layer of filtration, which is three layers. You know, you've got the pre-filter, you've got a HEPA filter, and you got activated carbon. It's Wi-Fi enabled and has several modes that you can set via your Alexa, your Google, all of that kind of stuff. You can schedule it. You can have it come on via your phone. You can monitor it there. And there's just so many really nice things about it. And on top of that, it was ranked the #1 air purifier by Newsweek in 2025. So you know you're getting something good here, and I want to show you what all you get with it and kind of show you a demo of how it works within the app for your phone, and then just show you where I put it in my studio here. Stay tuned. Okay, let's start by looking at what comes inside the box. It's mainly just the unit and the power supply. But there's a handle on top. It's got some touch controls on top, power, mode, Wi-Fi, and filter button. And if you take the top off, you'll see there's filters included. And pull it out and take the packaging off, and you'll see it's a very thick filter. And there's a, like I said, there's a pre-filter on top with activated carbon and a HEPA filter behind it. And one of the things I really like about it is right here, it vents to the side instead of traditionally like they usually vent on top or the back or something like this. Now this one vents to the side, which helps me a lot with my 3D printers, as I don't want it blowing it up in the air. I want it blowing it off to the side. So to pair this, you run your app, you turn the power on, hold down the Wi-Fi button, hit add, and there it is. It pops up very easily. And the first thing it's going to do is ask you for your Wi-Fi information, and then it's going to add it to your application. And there you go. One of the first things you'll want to do is name it. I have two of them, so I need to name mine where I can tell the difference between the two. And so I've named them after the type of printers that I have. I have a P2S and an H2C. And then you can put it in a particular area. So if you have multiple across your house, you can tell it what rooms they're in, which helps quite a bit. As you see here, there is the modes basically emulate what's on top of the unit itself. And one of the first things you'll want to do is check the firmware. On the first unit I got a couple months ago, I had to update the firmware. This one came with the latest, and it's a very simple process. You just tell it to do it, and it does it. It does not hard at all. And then you can check where your third-party services are available. I have this hooked to my Amazon Alexa, and as you can see here, I have both showing up, and my old one, or my 2-month-old one, has been running 24 hours a day, and it's showing there's 11% left on the filter. And what's nice is once you purchase your filter and change it out, you just hit a button and it resets. And this is more of a reminder than anything. I would suggest opening it up and looking inside and seeing how the filter actually looks. And then when you're actually ready for one, you can go to their shop online, and they usually have lots of discounts and coupons and that sort of thing to order direct, or I'm sure that Amazon has them as well. As you see here, there's a Memorial Day sale for 20% off. So any of your spare filters, that sort of thing, you can get through the application. There's also live chat, tech support, and you can create a login to their website as well here if you want to create an account, register your device. You can see here where you can go in and set your security on your user password, notifications. And right here, I'm going to show you how real time, if you watch here, how quickly I'm pressing it on my phone, and you'll see how quickly the unit responds. It's almost instantaneous, and it's really nice because a lot of times, like you'll see here where I have it placed right behind my printer, and that is because I have an exhaust on the back of the printer that blows straight out, and I want that to go into the purifier and then blow out to the side. And see, I have a second printer, and that's where this one's going to go. So I have a little spot back here, and I will be putting the new unit back there just as soon as I finish this video. So there you go. That's kind of a nice overview of the PuroAir 100i.